I struggled with back problems. Hunching over a table that was too low to work on, a work surface that caused me to bend and strain my neck. And then I was only able to wrap and work at that table for short periods of time and was suffering afterwards. I was very fortunate that the creator of Lift Your Table happens to be a dear friend of mine. And she knew my love for wrapping, and she said, I have the solution to your problem. The table's now at a perfect height for me. I don't have to bend over, and I'm not straining with my neck to look down at my package that I'm wrapping. Everything's at a perfect height, and I can stand easily without straining my neck or my back and wrap for hours. I've used them when we've had large family gatherings, used them for my buffet table. Standard tables are fine if you're gonna sit in a chair, but when you're serving a large buffet, I love having the table a little bit higher. It makes your room look nicer, makes your buffet stand out in your setting, and it's more comfortable for your guests to serve from. This doesn't stand out under my table as she's propped her table up on something, like a 2x4 or a cinder block or something that stands out. This just looks like a table leg. They weigh nothing, and they're easy to install, even if you're by yourself. My advice to you, lift your table and save your back.